Hello everybody, my name is Karin. Welcome to my channel. Today I show you some fun projects. I will make a gallery wall here in my mobile home. This is our weekend home. We enjoy our free time here. And the gallery wall is really fun because everything I used I found in the thrift store. And I will use some awesome paint from Annie Sloan, which I really love. And I will do some crazy things with it. So if you like videos with creative projects, DIYs, thrift flips and room makeovers, give it a like and consider to subscribe, that would be really great. Enjoy and thank you for watching. Bye! So this is how it looks now with the coat of a white chalk paint. I really like the effect of it, but I don't like the white. I think it's a bit too boring. So I do a bit more dairy color, and that is this pink, lila pink, and it's Henrietta from Annie Sloan. So let's do this. Project is this little painting. I really love the flowers, but the frame is not so nice anymore, and here it's a bit damaged. I'll only do the frame. I will first do a coat of white, and then I will paint it yellow. Let's have a look how this works. Okay, these stripe paintings I made some weeks ago when I did samples for this wall painting over here, this one. I link this video here, I think. But they are painted with the same colors that I painted these frames. So I thought maybe it would look fun to use these stripe paintings as a background to hang it on the wall, like this one I really like. Let's have a look which are the best. This I don't like so much. That's a bit colorful. It's interesting too. Maybe this one is nice for this painting. Isn't it cute? And the flowers are a bit shiny and the rest is very not shiny, I don't know the word. But I think I take these stripes as background for this painting. And for this little one, I want to use these ones. I think it's a fun way to hang something totally unusual. So let's have a look.